केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
Hello dear friends, welcome to the Kesari Textile Company. In today's video, I'm going to showcasing you some of the unique collection in particular cotton fancy varieties. We have two sections in particular cotton. Another one is only the starting range with Suti cotton, and another one in the opposite fancy cotton. We are standing here. And guys, please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of the beautiful varieties, many of the concept, many of the ranges, many of your queries will be counted in this video, like how will you choose us, why will you choose us, why will you prefer our company, and many of the queries like is the company going to be trustworthy, or is the service going to be quality, is the product going to be same which we are going to be ordered. These are the some of the primary questions are there. That question is going to be counted in today's video. So guys, please watch the start to till the end. Don't skip it in between. First of all, in my hand, you're going to be having in these kind of the very beautiful variety. I'm going to showcasing you. Kala Anjali, the article name will be these kind of the variety you're going to be showing. And apart from that, these kind of the pallu you're going to be mentioning in these kind of the designs. Talking about the whole fabric you're going to be getting in these kind of the whole beautiful fabric. And these kind of beautiful designs you're going to be getting in these kind of the variety. See guys. Fully I'm going to showcasing an opening for you, because you're going to be know that there will be not any kind of the damages or defects in any of our saree. Totally fully fine saree you're going to be getting, same as it is what you're going to be seeing in this video. And let me remind you, single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise, and each set you're going to be getting 6 to 7 different color shade guys. See, in these kind of the very beautifully premium sarees you're going to be getting in our cotton variety. So this is going to be the pallu, and the next variety, this is going to be some of the unique design in very beautiful concept you're going to be seeing. See guys, with our Kesari Textile branding you're going to be having. This is also the same article, Kala Anjali kind of article you're going to be getting. See guys. In this also, I'm going to showcasing only the designs. In the same particular designs, you're going to be getting 6 to 7 different color shades. And talking about the ranges, it's going to be like I have to say in Suti cotton, or I have to say in the fancy cotton. Many of the varieties ranges at like the 125, 150, 200, 300, 400, 500, and the last many of the above ranges are also you gonna be getting here. But today's video I'm showcasing only the random variety guys. See, in these kind of the random variety I'm gonna showcasing you. See guys, you're gonna be seeing the same fabric, but the design is gonna be different guys. See, same article name. Please take the screenshot any of the concept you're going to be liking and send it to the screen available number. Yeah, in the screen available number is one of our online sales executive. There will be not any kind of the language barrier in any of our variety, any of our concept. See guys, what will be the major benefit, that you will get the same product going to be delivered at your doorstep. There will be not any kind of the changes doing in today's market. Yeah, in Surat, talking about the YouTube medium, there will be many sarees will be there. On that many sarees, you gonna be many videos are also will be there. See guys. Next variety I'm gonna showcasing you in these kind of the beautiful variety. You're gonna be getting this kind of the beautiful pallu on these kind of the digital print, like we have to say kalamkari designs. You're gonna be getting in this kind of the variety. See guys. 6 to 7 different same color shades also you're going to be getting. And apart from that, the necessary, like I have to say, there will be not any kind of the damages or defects in any of our saree guys. See, in this kind of the unstitched blouse also you're going to be getting same contrastable blouses guys. See, apart from that, all the variety I'm going to showcasing you, this all the variety you will be getting in many of the concept. See guys. See guys, you're going to be getting in these kind of the variety. See. the concept name will be in these kind of the variety I'm going to showcasing you. You have to call the screen available number. They will give you n number of variety and collections in the form of PDF, and they're going to be going to detail you that what will be the fabric, what will be the name of the article, and how many range it's gonna be cost. These kind of the all the regional kind of concept you're gonna be getting here only. And apart from that, guys, in these kind of the beautiful kind of pallu you're gonna be getting in this kind of the variety. See, guys. So guys, in this video, that's all. Many of the varieties you're gonna be seed. And apart from that, any of the concepts you're going to be like, then you can just call the screen available number. There will be not any kind of the language barrier. Either you will be from the south, or either you will be from the northern region. All the regional state language person will be available in our company. So no need to hesitate. Be frank to call the screen available number. And please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till that, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउस वाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है, या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं, या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं, तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना करने। तो यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।